Hello guys, I'll take you through a guided tour, a guided walkthrough on a very rainy day of early March of Via Sottomonte number 9. We have more than 500 square meters waiting for us. It will be a long tour. Main concept is this is what we call the casetta, dependance, the first original part of the villa. And then in the 1970s/80s, they have enlarged it with this other part. Of course, it needs to be taken care of on the facades. I mean, that should not be that much of an issue. As in Italy, you do get some decent bonuses and tax credits if you fix the exteriors of your house. And there's an architect, studio actually of architects, permetterà, which has already worked on the figures. So if you want to have a look at the quotes we have, all of this can be fixed. But structurally, it's fine. It's more than fine. You drive in with your cars. You have 2 decent garages there. And then we have terrace number 1, from which you can walk to the kitchen. From that balcony, you're in a bedroom, and there's some stairs will go up, which will take you to the panoramic viewpoint. This is actually the double garage. Let me start with the interiors because it's starting to rain and things will get messier. Total size of the plot is around 1,500 square meters, of which approximately 500 are the internals, and then there's 1,000 I'll show you of wood back there. From this first terrace you can access the kitchen, but we'll get back to that. On this very wet and slippery day, we're going up for the main terrace. That there is the casetta, the original house, from which the new block has been expanded in the 70s, 80s. This is your panoramic view. Sun comes up from there, goes down there. And spam. Here we go. I couldn't have picked a worse day than this. Now, a peek downstairs. That's a balcony terrace which sticks out of your living room, but I'll show you that. This is Via Sottomonte. It's a pretty tricky road, but you can make it. You'll get used to it if you fall in love with Trieste. This is the lift, which will take you to all of the other floors. And now let's see the casetta. This can be a backup plan for parties if weather goes wrong, or you can turn it into a dependance. Down there, there's another room, and this corridor will connect you to the main building. As you see, the exteriors need to be taken care of, but as I already said, we do have quotes. The casetta, with a very Italian feeling. Well, and you do have a great view from here too. So, casetta, tricky stairs, and a bathroom. So let me take you down these tricky stairs. To an extra bedroom with a walk-in closet and a bathroom. And this has its own private entrance. That was the car entrance, and you can walk up these stairs. Here, separate bedroom and guest suite. Okay, just to confuse you some more, those were the tricky stairs, door to the guest suite, and bam. Living area and kitchen. Of course, the elevator, and this funny terrace which sticks out. Time for the kitchen. If you're a fan of 70s and 80s, you'll recognize some casinas and Le Corbusier. I mean, that's pretty neat. This is just an extra bathroom. And now, just to help you get lost once again, these stairs will take you up from the living area to the 2 bedrooms, which could become 3. We do have plans for that too. Master bedroom. Hello guys, the bathroom, tub. Air conditioning. And another balcony. Bum bum. And now we go to bedroom number 2. This is another bedroom with another balcony, air conditioning, and another bathroom. And if you want to play hide and seek, you can go up these stairs. And you're back on your party area. Now, I won't take you on a hike, but back there you have more or less 1,000 square meters of trees, vegetation. I don't know, you can just go. You can go and improvise if you want to become a gardener. Those are stairs and more stairs which take you to nowhere. If you want to remake of Into the Wild in your own back garden, you're served. I think we went through almost everything. Let's go for an elevator ride and we're set. Good to go. And hello, welcome elevator. Let's go to floor 1. If you're interested, just give us a call because we already had some renderings done and some calculations to have a decently sized pool on the roof and some quotes for fixing all of the water issues outside. If you wanted a 3-bedroom arrangement for that area there, we actually do have some ideas of layouts with minimum intervention. Via Sottomonte is not the steepest in Trieste. That's the area of Roiano. Down there you have Barcola and so on, and the city center, it's pretty served. So of course it's a walk, it's a pretty steep road and you'll need a car or a scooter or anything, but this is Trieste, this is Italy. So guys, hope I've been of some use. Sorry for picking the worst day ever, but pro is that if you'll ever come and visit it in person, you'll probably find it even more charming. Give us a call, triestevillas.com. This was Via Sottomonte number 9. Thank you.